Look what's out, guys. The Johan 69 AMX. Let's find out all about it. All right, I'm excited about this.
Yes,
What's going on
we
here?
We are debuting this today at the HMCA show.
Today's first day?
First day, yes.
Dang.
So we
I'm
we
really glad
announced
you're
it
here
at
now.
Circle City show.
Yep, I remember that.
Breakdown of the parts.
Yep, I remember showing it
Yeah.
at Circle City show.
And here's the
built-up version.
the built up from all the kit, all the parts that you see in the display box. That's painted with Model Car World Big Bad Green.
Okay.
And since the chrome tree that we have for those is not plated, we decided we would just build the box art car as one of the big bad colors, since they painted the bumpers on those the body color.
Okay.
So it really gives a nice contrast to the whole model. And this one we have two versions available. One has a low back bucket seat and one has a high back bucket seat. Most of the kits that I've seen issued over the years have the high back, but you've got an option. We've got it marked here on the this one has a low back bucket seat option.
Okay.
So we've got two variations available, and we actually did a throwback to the old Johan style box art, and instead of using like the rendering they did, we featured our box art model and promote the breakdown of the parts that are featured in there, and the product line that you can buy separate pieces from.
Okay.
Either online or in our store.
Nice. This is going to be a good seller.
We're looking for it. Now, here's one of the things too. I don't have these with me today because they're still at the printers and won't be available for till mid-October, but we're going to be including a 6-color screen printed ghost stripe sheet with each of the kits, and these will be professionally done. You don't have to trim each individual decal out real close. They're clear. The clear is pulled up as tight as you can possibly get it to the image, so try to make it a little bit easier for the modeler. The nice thing about these, we'll have some extras for sale too, is these stripes will give you lots of options to use on other models. You can do multiple variations. If you want to do rocker panel stripes, or butt them up together to do a wider stripe, single stripe, multicolor stripe, however you want to do it.
Okay.
So if somebody buys one of the kits today, we've got a label to get their name and address so we can mail it to it as quick as it arrives.
There we go. Atomic City, you gotta get out there and check them out, guys.